footballdata.org, the dev-friendly football API. This is an API that we are going to be using for our data moving forward in the automation scripts. This site allows us to sign up to a free package, which allows us access to 12 competitions. The scores are slightly delayed, but we're not going to be doing live scores at the moment. We get all the fixtures, schedules, the league tables, and we can do 10 calls to the API per minute. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to grab the information we want and we're just going to store it. If we look at the football coverage for this site, when you enter into the free tier, you get access to all of the data for these leagues and the cups. So once you've signed up, you've got your free account, what do you do next? I am currently using a Chrome plugin to test all of my calls. It is called Tailend API Tester and it's the free edition. So I'm actually using Tailend API Tester, which is a free edition. It's a Chrome extension which allows me to make calls to the API for free using my auth token. You can get your auth token by going into your account and it'll say API key. Obviously I'm not going to go there now because I'll be showing you what mine is. Then you need to copy this into your headers by here. Once you've added it in, we can start making calls. So let's go to the API documentation. So as you can see here, there's plenty of calls we can make. We can get a list of all available competitions. You can list one in particular competition/league. You can list all the teams in any particular competition. You can get the league tables. So what we're going to do now, first of all, is we are going to get the Premier League standings. So I've already started this, so let's go to standings. And then we're going to hit send. This will then bring back the body, which is your request parameters. So this is the data that's come back. If we just take this down, we don't need that. It tells us what season we're in. So we can access this JSON object by putting in standings. This will bring back our regular season, and then you've got total, home, and away. So you can show the league table by home record, by away record, or by the total record altogether. And then you've got your table, which brings back the positions, your team, how many games have been played, the form, everything. Won, drawn, lost, points, goals for, goals against, goal difference. They even have their own crests, which are available to be accessed as well. So for a free package, this is a pretty good way to start your your automation into building like league table templates. So what you can actually do with this is you can copy the entire request. We can go into a JSON file and paste it, and as you can see, it's already formatted for us. And then when we're doing our Photoshop template and we want to look through all the current positions, then we would just be accessing the standings. So we don't actually need any of this. And then we would just loop through the table then and insert our position, our team name. We can even insert the crest if we need to. Games played, won, drawn. You can pretty much insert all of this into a Photoshop file. Obviously, the more you insert in, the more strain it's going to put on your RAM. So it's going to be taking longer to process. So yeah, this is the sort of thing that we are going to be looking at going forward. If you want to have a play around with the football data website and see what you can do with their APIs, this would be a good way to start before actually getting into writing scripts to use this data. Stay tuned for the actual link up between your data and your Photoshop scripts. the tutorials are coming soon.